This message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. Lassen Peak is at imminent risk of eruption. All residents within 20 miles of the volcano are advised to evacuate immediately. All residents outside this 20-mile radius are to shelter in place. To shelter in place, turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Lock and seal all doors and windows to prevent volcanic ash from entering your home. The telephone lines are expected to be overloaded. Do not use them. Only call emergency services. If you have a life-threatening emergency, do not exit your home or shelter unless absolutely necessary. If you decide to venture outdoors, place a rag over your mouth to prevent inhalation of volcanic ash. Monitor TV and radio stations for further updates. Further updates to this alert will be broadcasted on all available channels. Stay tuned.